Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to delete your Poshmark account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, first of all you need to do is simply tap open your Poshmark app. So once you have opened it, you need to simply tap on the profile icon on the bottom right hand side of the screen. So once you have tapped on it as well, you will be redirected to a different kind of interface which basically looks like this. So here all you need to do now is simply scroll down below to the end and you can find an option Poshmark Support Center. Simply tap on that particular icon and you will be redirected to this interface. So now from the drop down menu, simply tap on manage account status. After you have tapped on manage account status, you need to simply tap on delete my account option. So once you have selected the delete my account option, you need to now simply verify yourself by typing in the OTP sent to your device. So once you have verified your OTP by typing it in, you need to hit the submit button on the top right hand side of the corner. After you are done with this as well, you need to now simply tap on delete my account. Once you have tapped on delete my account, after selecting a reason, you need to reconfirm your decision by tapping on the yes option. So by doing this, you will be able to delete your Poshmark account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.